What's up, guys? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I would just like to give you a kind of a short overview of this simple project that I've completed. So, as you can tell, right, I've completed this project some time ago, like around the 20th of August, this year. And, I just managed to find some time today to give you a small demonstration of this project. And I also wasn't too sure if you guys would like to see like these small snippets of cool projects that can be done in Python. And if you guys like these types of projects, then I would be glad to have tutorials that explain the entire process behind the particular module, or how it goes, how we actually go about working with it in Python. So in today's simple demonstration, this is an OCR project that I made. As you can tell by the file name, it's actually a simple bot for actually doing a typing test for us, and it is an online typing test which we will be using. Let's have a look at that. This is the website 10 Fast Fingers. This is the setup of the test, right? So you have the small text box here which gives us the words, and we have our text box in which we are required to type the words that we see. But in our case, we won't be the ones typing. It would be our OCR bot. OCR basically means optical character recognition, right? For those of you who are unfamiliar. I'll walk through the code after I give you a small demonstration of the program. So let's execute this file. And yeah, as you can see that the clock has started. And one thing that we can also see is that our bot is typing so fast that we are unable to see any letters or words being typed into our text box. So that's a good sign. The bot actually concluded, and it's still going on. That is because of the for loop. So I think it's actually done executing. Let's have a look here. So the for loop, because of this range, so it kind of takes some additional screenshots because the bot completes the test, so quickly. It actually keeps going on taking screenshots and typing. So it is done now. Now we have concluded, and here's our result. As you can see, we did quite well. We achieved a 401 word per minute. That's basically the entire test. We ran through the entire paragraph that was to be typed. Yeah, that places us in the top 1%, which is not bad at all. Um, let's have a look at these, stats. So keystrokes, total number of basically like key presses, right? All the keys on our keyboard, 2018. 2003 were correct, 15 were incorrect. Accuracy of the bot was 95.24%, not bad at all, considering that I just put this bot together and did not really tweak it. Correct words 385, wrong words 15. So that's kind of the statistics for this particular test. So coming back to the code, it is quite interesting. So also, I do apologize that you see majority of these imports here, we don't even need them. I was just exploring, with this particular scenario some time ago, so I didn't have time to clean up the code and so on. But essentially what we can see is that I do my importations, right? Important packages here are matplotlib was used by me when I just wanted to see whether PyAuto GUI was taking the correct screenshots. I use OpenCV, a computer vision library or package in Python to actually assist with the processing of the images. Time, well, I use that to add a slight delay, before images actually started being taken. So that's about it. PyTesseract, this is kind of the important one here, right? That's the importation. As you'll see, this is actually the path to the Tesseract executable on my machine. So the way in which this simple program works is, number one, it's going to locate the executable for PyTesseract. Number two, I've got Pi Auto GUI, which is taking a screenshot. And by the time the screenshot is taken, you see that's why I've added this delay. So I can just quickly swap to our typing test, and I can hit the refresh button, and it will screenshot our screen with the words. Right, so that's about it there. As you can see, OpenCV is now going to read the image, or in this case, the screenshot, which was taken by PyAuto GUI. I used OpenCV and some image processing techniques to basically crop our image and focus it on this particular portion of our screen. The portion I'm referring to is the portion in which you see these words go, it, letter, to, same, why, me, etc. It's focusing on that little rectangle only. Thereafter, we're passing that image to PyTesseract, and as you can see, we're calling an image to string method. Language is in English, and we are passing our image, right? Afterwards, we are printing the list of words just to see if PyTesseract is kind of getting the correct, I would say, text, yes, extracted from the image. And yeah, that's about it. This is the conclusions, which is basically our typewriting, right? Typewriting, and then we pressing space. The space is because you see when it reaches the end, when after it types the last word in each list of words, it's going to stop, right? For example, it will type like America small quick should in say thing. It will stop at this G. So in order to move to the next screenshot and next new words to be typed, I press the space button using PyAuto GUI. So yeah, everything is automated, and I do hope that you found this interesting, guys. I'll run the script one more time for you, and thereafter I'll end the video. I should mention now, guys, do be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, as it really does help me a lot. And thanks for your time. Yeah, and this time we've achieved a 98% accuracy, 99. So excellent. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Do be sure to comment below in the comment section if you like these types of videos in which I basically give you a small brief overview of some projects that I've worked with and continue to work with. I'll be glad to share it along with you, and also, if you would like, provide you with tutorials on the concepts so you can work with projects of your own. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.